You are going to love the 2015 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires front all season. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.